Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish modeling our project. Now we're ready to go to Twinmotion. But before we send it to Twinmotion, I'm just going to edit the materials for this one. So here, I'm going to select that, edit in place, select this material again. And now we know that this is textile bamboo weave. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on paint and select that material. So I'm going to search it right here, textile. And then I'm just going to select this and then select this one so that everything will be textile materials now, and then click on finish. Also, what I want to let you guys know is I just added the same in place model right here, which is the square base pot light. So I added it on the awning for the first and then the second floor. So just add 3 of them. I space it out around 1,000. And then after that, you want to make sure that this is under fine. Save it again. And then go to Twinmotion 2020 and then select C in Twinmotion. Let it synchronize and it will ask us to choose if it's an existing product or it's a new product or project. So of course we're gonna select new project. So here, select new project, press OK, and then it will synchronize again, but it will load our project similar to this. So now everything is loaded. What we need to do first is save our project. So I'm here and then I'm going to click on Save As, and I'm going to save it on the folder that I want. So we have this one right here, and I'm just going to put it on the Twinmotion file that I have here. So I'm just going to type in house and then save. So once we have the save file already, click on file again and then sign in into Epic Games. So here I already signed in multiple times and it recognized all my sign in things. So as you can see, it's very easy to just click on sign and then it will automatically have all my information. If not, you just need to sign into Epic Games and then everything will be already saved. All your info will be saved. I'm gonna open scene graph so that we know everything that is going on. And then here we have our materials. So first, I'm going to go to materials and then click on glass. I'm gonna select two-sided glass, and let's change the opacity and then the color. That's the most of the time that I use for this color right here. And it's up to you to increase the opacity of or not, but at least you'll be able to change that once you see the materials that we're going to add on this model. Next, I want metal materials. This is already aluminum because this is the default material for mullion. So I'm going to do is I'm going to just change the color, and everything right here should be aluminum as well. So especially this gate, I'm just gonna set that to aluminum. I'm also going to set this as aluminum, and I'm just gonna leave that in that material, or I'm going to give it some brush there so that it will pop out on that. And then here it's probably the neon color, so I believe it's under neons, and then I'm going to select that so that everything is lit up, as you can see. And then here as well, might as well add that and lit it up, as you can see here as well. um, Here I want my plank wood material, so I'm gonna use this. Increase the scale. I want it this way because it looks really nice in with the plank for the gate right here. Obviously, one of the veneer material. So I'm going to select one of the veneer right here. I'm gonna make sure that it's not showing too much of those ones. So give me a second. I'm gonna choose, I believe this one is much better. And then let's change the rotation. I'm gonna change it to 90. And then go back here. Scale it's somewhat good enough, like there. And then might as well make this one in that color as well, or in that wood coloring as well, so that everything is connected. But in terms of this one, I want it to be the stone material and this stack material 05. One of my favorite materials to use. And that looks good. Here, I want to use maybe stucco gray, which is under Quixel Megascan. And that's one of the reasons that we sign into our Epic Games account, because we'll be able to use our Quixel Megascan easily. We don't need to sign in again, and everything will be connected already. So here I want to see, I'm gonna go to plastered, painted, and then here we have our stucco facade. I'm gonna just download the white, the gray, and maybe the black. And then this one will be good. Probably put in the black here. And then we have the gray, maybe this, or the white wall would be gray. Let's finish that first. Let it finish first. And why not go to, let's add in a water right here. And then we have a couple of pool. And maybe the depth, let's increase it. And then the color, so that it's not too visible below, because we still have our starting ground right here. I don't want to pull it down too much. It's not going to be visible anymore. And I want to add some trees around. So here I'm just going to turn on. So go here under settings and then turn on metalness, and then increase that reflection right there. And then I'm going to add this one. This one is aluminum as well, so why not select this aluminum so that then this one will be good, and then the number as well. And then why not the door as well? That looks really good. And then let's check if it's already downloaded. So let's go to surface, plaster, and then painted. Everything is done already. I'm going to check out. So this gray one looks amazing. I like the finish. So I'm probably going to use this one. And then the gray, why not check this out as well? So at least we have that different color there. And then for this one, let's check a different material. Maybe here, I'm gonna look for a concrete material right here. I think the one for this one would be good. And then increase the scale. Yeah, this one looks good as well. And maybe if we do that there, might as well do it here as well. So that looks good there. Yeah, I'll stick with either this one or just a concrete. This one looks nice as well, just a regular concrete. And then here, we could use this. Let's see how it looks outside. So because, yeah, this one doesn't look good right here. So I'm gonna undo that for the actually this one, it gives it some character if we have something that is cleaner like that under concrete, and even something like this will be good enough. Yeah, I rather have this one. And then look at that, it looks nice as well. So we have multiple concrete materials right here with stone and then wood. So that's good enough for me. We can even exchange this one to the same thing as this. Yeah, we could do this one as well because we have the concrete already here and as well here, and then stucco walls. So I rather have this one as well. And as you can see, I'm a fan of wood planks, so that will be good. And then instead we can put fine concrete right here. So that brings a lot of very manly materials. Something for a bachelor design house. And then as you can see, you have this massive pool right here. Let's increase that one, and then the depth to be more than that. I think that's good enough for that. Make sure to save it in case it crashes. And then we could take a look of some concrete materials for the ground here, which is man-made. Let's do concrete right here, and then concrete right here. or better yet, a wavy cobblestone for here. Something that we are definitely a fan of. And then here, another stone material right there, cobblestone. You can even have this, why not? Or this one. We could actually have this one for the and then this one right here. So something different there. And then for the pool, we have this one. And then for the deck here, another wood material. We could put cedar right there and increase it. So perfect. Even the rotation is good. I like it. We could also put in some furnitures right here. We have so many objects now for backyard that we could download right here. Even accessories like this, barbecue, and then some carport right here, sunshade that is perfect around here. We have this one that we could add. Why not download those stuff? And then we have some barbecue and then some of those right there. We have barbecue right here. Staging this one right now is really good. And then we could just add that one. We could have this one added. And then we could just scaled. As you can see, it's too big, but don't worry. So sunshade, what you do is just select those, and then now we could increase it like this, and then here decrease it here a little bit, and then we could just add it on this part. Not sure if it's good enough for this one though, but we'll see. We could just lower it a little bit there, and that is perfect for this location. And then might as well add in some seating right here, back here seating. So we could add in some, maybe some here sofa, tables as well. We could add this one. I think this is huge, but it's perfect for this all elongated backyard. So let's just wait for that. It's almost done. As you can see, it's very fast to download, and once it's done, as you can see, it's fast to place it there as well. And then we could have it right there, placed there, and that's perfect. something right there. Pool and spa. And let me just add this one. Something we could add here. Right about here is good enough. So place it right over here, and then we're just gonna rotate it facing the back at door. That's good enough. We have a lot of spacing, and then it's up to you if you want to extend this one, but I think that's good enough for the space right here. And there's a lot of things to choose from. Next thing we're gonna do is let's add in some cars right here. So vehicles, cars, we could add in the car right here, rotate it 90 degrees like that, and then we could add in some big boy toys. So some of this one right here, and then this one as well. And it's up to you if you're gonna add in some mountain bikes that you could just put it on the side and then place it right there. And then let's go back to concrete materials, and we could add in bare concrete right there, and then probably here polish. And as you can see, it's already lit as well because of the material that we added there. This is fine, everything is good. Let's go to our settings, or yeah, let's go to settings, and then we could go to our HDR, and let's go to outdoor. So now I'm just gonna add in the tea garden right here. Let's go to we could place it right here. I could delete it first, undo it again, and then yeah, let's just add tea garden into our environment, backdrop HDRI, and then click on more, and then tea garden. Let's add it right here. And then once you add this one, we can change the height offset. We could increase it if we want to. And this is a perfect weather. I want to make this one like that. Intensity. I think that's good enough. Weather on. And then In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to add in some trees and all of those. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.